Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing a Rubik's Cube I got from eBay. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a huge thumbs up. So let's open this. I opened the package before the video and I didn't look inside. Ooh. It sounds pretty good, but I think it's too fast for me. Whoa. I never had a Rubik's, like a speed cube before, so it's really fast to me. I'm just gonna get used to it. So, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye!